Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss Bharatiya Nagarik Sanhita section 2. In this section, unless the context of otherwise requested, so new Sanhita has added this audio video electronic means, that is it shall include any kind of communications devices like mobile phone for purpose of video conferencing if the person is not producible at the court. For example, for minor children, rape accused, if they are not able to visit court, then court is okay with accepting this video conferencing and recording of processing of identifications for the search and seizure for or evidence, transmission of electronic communications for such other purposes by such other means of state of government by may be rule of provide. So I hope you might have understood what is audio video electronic means, which is very important. If you are preparing for civil judge exams, then this might be a question for the 2 marks question. If you are preparing for repairs LLB, then this questions will be for short for what is audio video electronic means. Then comes bail. Bail means release of a person accused or suspected of a commission of offense from the custody upon certain condition imposed by an officer, court, and executions by such person of bond or bail bond. So the clear meaning of this bail has been explained in the Bharatiya Nagarik Sanhita. Before it was not given any definition what is bail means. Here it says the person accused. Okay, that is very important, and are suspected of a person commission of a office from the custody of law upon certain condition imposed by an officer or court execution by such persons or bond. The person has been accused or suspected, such person if is requesting for a bail, so that can be granted on bail bond or bail. So next is bailable offense. What is bailable offense? Means an offense which is shown bailable in the first schedule. Okay, that is when the person is have committed any simple crime. It shouldn't be any rigorous or capital crime which is made liable by any other law for the time being in force. And non-bailable offense means any other offenses like simple theft or simple defamations, all that bailable offense. It shouldn't be a murder or rape, all that it is not a bailable offense. Next is what is bail bond. 2D it is. So means undertaking for a release with a surety. Bail, it is just given for the persons imposed certain condition and then they release. Here they'll accept certain security, they deposit certain security in the form of money or any other sources. They'll give the surety and then they'll request to give the bail. So this is called bail bond, is a surety that bail is based on certain condition imposed. I hope you understood. And charge includes any head of charge when the charge contains more heads. Charge, it's a charge sheet actually. It may be charged on one person or many persons. So that is what they are trying to say. Any head meaning one person or more heads meaning many persons. Cognizable offense means which is the cognizable case, means which is case police officers may in accordance with the first schedule or under any other law for the first time being in force arrest without warrant. So if it is any major crime like murder, rape or major theft, robbery, then it is in a cognizable offense. Then you are forcibly can arrest without warrant. Complaint means, what is complaint? Complaint means it can be orally or written to a magistrate. It is not to the police officer. Police officer, it is an FIR, but for the complaint should be given to only magistrate through oral or written complaints. When the police is not ready to file an FIR, then you can give a complaint to magistrate, okay, with the view of his taking actions on the Sanhita. Some person wherein whether known or unknown has committed an offense but does not include a police report. So it does not include police report. Police report is different, FIR is different. Here complaint is all about giving to magistrate. Here a small explanation is being given. A report made by police officer in case which discloses after investigations, commissions on non-cognizable offence shall be deemed to be complaint. The police officer by whom such report is made shall be deemed to be the complaint. I hope you understood this. We'll make a short video so that you will be having more interest to watch and understand. With this I am stopping. Next class I will definitely explain this electronic communications mains. So that's all for the day. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.